In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do wire transfer Charles Schwab. If you need to move money from your Schwab account, the process is straightforward once you know where everything is. We'll walk through sending a wire domestically or internationally, then cover timing and fees so you know what to expect. Start by gathering the exact details for your recipient. You'll need the bank's full name, plus a routing number for U.S. banks or a SWIFT, sometimes called a BIC, for international wires. Have the recipient's account number, their full legal name as it appears on the account, and their address. For some international destinations, an intermediary or correspondent bank may be required. If your recipient provides that, keep it handy. Double-check every character. Wires are fast but tough to reverse, so accuracy matters. Next, sign in at Schwab's website with your login credentials. Once you're in, go to Move Money, then choose Send Wire. Pick the account you want to send from, whether that's your brokerage account or a Schwab Bank checking account. Now select the wire type. Choose Domestic Wire for payments within the United States in US dollars. If you're sending abroad, you can send US dollars or send foreign currency. Pick carefully because your choice controls which fields appear, how the funds are routed, and whether currency conversion applies. Enter the transfer details. Set the amount and the send date. Provide the recipient bank's routing number for domestic wires. Make sure it's the wire routing number, not an ACH number, or enter the SWIFT or BIC for international wires. Add the recipient's account number, full name, and address exactly as provided. If there are special credit instructions or a reference that helps the recipient identify the payment, place that in the memo or notes field. For certain countries, include intermediary bank information in the designated fields. Review everything from top to bottom. Confirm the amount, currency, bank identifiers, and recipient name. Agree to the terms and complete any identity verification, such as entering a one-time code sent to your phone. After you submit, the wire is queued for processing. Save the confirmation screen or reference number and monitor your activity for status updates. For timing and fees, domestic wires often arrive the same business day when submitted before the cutoff. International wires typically take 2 to 5 business days or more. Schwab charges an outgoing wire fee, and intermediary or recipient banks may also deduct fees. To avoid delays, send early on business days and ensure your information is precise.